In this video, I'll be showing you how to install JDK 17. We go to openjdk.org. From here, I will go to the installing page. I want to install JDK 17. We'll look for downloading JDK 17. So I'll give here 17. And this is loading me the page of JDK 17. I download the zip. I need to choose the compatible operating system. Mine is Mac. It is Apple architecture. I use M1 chipset. So I have to download this tar file and it's getting downloaded. Once the tar file is downloaded, I have to unzip it. In micro profile, JDK 11 and above is recommended, and I have used JDK 17. Let me open my command line to show you. So here, as recommended, I have to untar it by giving the command tar xvf open JDK. In my case, it is 17. I get the complete name. I run this command and this is getting opened. So now this is untarred. I will verify the installation by giving the Java version command. So you see here the Java 17 is successfully installed. So this is how you will install Java 17 on your MacBook.